Okay, it's here, my box. So, get this. Not only do I have my box, I have 2 boxes. I wasn't sure if it would all fit in one box, but it didn't, you know, I was curious, because technically you subscribe for a box. But you can totally customize it. Like I keep telling people, you can customize it and get as much or as little as you want. So I think you specifying the size of box you want is only applicable if you're not going to edit your order and you forget or something. Then you're just going to get what they've pre-selected for you, and it's going to match that size if it's a small, medium, or large box. But I customized, and there were a lot of good deals. So hang on, let me get my scissors. Where are they? Oh, I could use this knife. Hang on. So put this one back down here. I don't even know where my camera is. It's on the other side. Okay, so if I look over there, I prepared so well for this, can you tell? All right, so here goes. This box can come at any point, basically, on Monday for me here in town. It came early today, which I'm really happy for. And I want to get this stuff in the fridge, so I had to do this video right away. Cool thing is that they don't use a lot of packaging. So I've got this paper in a box. It's all recyclable. But here, see, like no additional packaging on the inside, which is awesome. So, and holy cow, you guys, look at this cucumber. Man, oh man. Now this is cold and it's even still like wet. Can you see that? Awesome. So cucumbers were on special. So holy cow. This is so cool. You know what? I can totally see why, like, I don't know. So the grocery stores will say no to things that are like the wrong size or not consistent in size, or that's, you know, surplus inventory, or it looks a little like cosmetic stuff, you know, damage type, you know, on the looks of it. But I've never seen a curvy cucumber in the grocery store. Have you guys? So I'm thinking maybe that's why these were there. But that's crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so excited. Those are amazing. And I don't have my order list with me, but oh, and then look at the baby one too. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. So I've got more cucumbers. Most everything I got was organic. You can pick between conventional or non, you know, depending on what the items are and stuff, but most everything I got was organic. A couple things I know weren't, I think, and I'll tell you when I get to them, but I can't remember on the cucumbers. I'm pretty sure they were though, because I think I was excited to not have to peel them, but I don't know. So, oh my gosh. See this pile? I don't know what you can see on the camera screen, but there's this awesome pile of cucumbers. Okay. Oh, and these, oh, I was so excited for these too. Yum. Raspberries. Yes. These are, I can't remember on these either. They don't say they're organic, so I think they must not be. But I got them because they were so cheap. They were 99 cents. 99 cents for a container of raspberries. So I got as many as I could, and then they were sold out. So I got 5. And that was all that they had available. You can see there because you're wet. Oh, this one popped open a little bit, so we'll close you. All right, raspberries. Oh yeah, and I got celery. Look at this awesome celery. This is like really nice and crispy, fresh looking too. Nice color and everything on it. So I think I got one more. Must be in the other one. Celery. This is gonna be great for, or this is organic celery. This is gonna be great for juicing. So I really want to make some juice, and I need to put a towel out or something. My table is like does not like water on it at all, and all of these things are wet. So we're gonna put those there. Okay. And then, oh yeah, man. Yes, look at these mangoes. These are so cool. These are organic ones too. Look at how awesome they are. These are huge and fantastic. Perfect. Oh, look. As asparagus. This was on special too, organic asparagus. So I got 2. These are amazing in salads. These are amazing in raw salads. Just chop them up. They're so good. Those, here, let me just put it over here. Oh, yeah, oh yes, look at these. Totally cool. Shallots. I got shallots. Look how awesome these shallots are. They're huge. They're totally huge. So I got a bunch of those. Very nice. Create my pile over here. And then, because Kerwin loves them, I got some red potatoes. These were 99 cents a pound. I remember that much. And they are organic too. So potatoes. This is cool. Limes. I'm so excited for my limes. I remember these because I couldn't believe the price on them. So limes, these are organic and they were 2 for 25 cents. I mean, come on, really? It's like, how many should I buy? That was pretty cool. So I got some limes. So, and what I'm excited about for these limes is because they're organic, and look at how good the skins look too. So they're not even damaged or looking sad or anything. They're really green too. Sometimes limes can be like off color and just don't look very pretty. These look amazing. But because they're organic, I don't really find a lot of organic limes anywhere. Do you guys? I don't know. Clearly not for this price. But I want to zest them. I'm totally going to do some zest. Lime zest. When do you ever get to have that? I'm going to do that and freeze it. So I'm excited for these limes. Look at all I got. I think I got like 12 of them or something. And then, oh, these are perfect. These are like ready to eat too. I got some avocados because you always need avocados, and they were also a good price. Yeah, and I think I just wanted avocados. So cool. Oh my gosh, that is awesome. Could you see all this stuff from this first box? Totally cool. I got one more box. You still with me? Box number 2. Oh yeah, this is some other, I got a couple pantry items too. So let's see, you can actually get with them, I mean, they have meat and eggs and all that stuff. Actually, I was thinking about eggs. We don't eat them, but for the dogs love eggs. It is a perfect source of protein when you give your dog the complete egg, shell and all, raw. It is 98% absorbable for them. It is better actually than meat for a dog as far as their protein goes. So eggs are awesome. So I was thinking about getting that for them on another week. Oh yeah, I got my greens in here. Oh yes, totally. Okay, look at this. Holy cow, you guys. Okay, I got these. This is why I know it needs to go in the fridge soon, but look how fresh it is still. This is awesome. It's still cold and everything. So I would definitely say you kind of want to be able to go home when your box arrives, or be home. I mean, it could come anytime during the day, but I wouldn't want to leave this outside in this weather, you know, of course. So, but check this out. Look at how huge this thing is. Okay, so this is green leaf lettuce, and ordinarily I get my lettuce organic, but I got this because I really wanted some leafy greens, and it was only 55 cents per one of these. I mean, I couldn't beat the sale. I was like, pretty awesome. So we got 1. I got 2. Oh, I got 3. Okay, so, I mean, come on. You know how many salads you can make with this? This is the size it is for like $1.15 or $1.65. Totally cool. I'm excited for it. Oh yeah, here's my other celery. Oh, that's a bigger one too. So I knew I got 3 celery. Perfect. That. Okay, so I got these for Kerwin. So they have some organic blue corn chips, and these are on sale too. I think they were like $1 off or something like that. But this is their own brand, which is cool because they get some things at a really good price that then they're able to just kind of pass it along to you directly. So these have stone ground blue corn, either sunflower or safflower oil, and sea salt. That's it. 3 ingredients, organic. So you can get this kind of stuff there too. Another item for Kerwin. Check these out. Pickles. Totally cool. These are not on sale. I just got them because I know he loves pickles. And I was like, how cool is that? So these are natural, probiotic, raw, barrel fermented fresh pickles. Pretty cool. So we got pickles. And then, oh look, they actually put ice or something in here for me. Oh wow. Wow, Nordic ice. This is recyclable, which is awesome. And this you could save, but I wonder how I like get it back to them or. Huh. But that's really cool. That's kind of nice to know that they did that. So maybe more so for the things that need to be refrigerated. Cool. All right, get over there. And I couldn't remember if I did or not, but I did get a couple like zucchini. I mean, these are yellow squash, but they work like zucchini. Cool. And these are organic too. So I make my noodles out of these, but they work really great in sautés and all that stuff too. Oh yeah, here's more. And in case you thought the cucumbers were done, I got more. And look at this. This is totally cool. An uneven size. I mean, clearly at either end of the spectrum, but it's awesome. Like I got like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 cucumbers. And honestly, guys, I know these were on a super discount. I just can't remember how much they were exactly. And then I got grapes. Okay, this is risky. These were a great price on grapes. They were like $1.50 a pound, which I thought was pretty good for grapes. And I don't know if they're any good, and we're really particular about our grapes. Ooh. Okay. Cool. Oh, these are really good. They're not like uber crunchy, but they're good. They're not soggy either, so that's really great. So I got 2 bags of them. Hopeful that they were good, so yay. Awesome. I got those, and then a couple random pieces of lettuce from my pile, and then last item, oh, a random grape. Last item, wild rice. I was really excited to find this because I don't know about you guys, but everywhere I go, wild rice comes mixed in with other rice varieties, and so you get like a tiny little bit of wild rice. And then if you get an entire bag of the wild rice, black wild rice, it's super expensive. It's like, I don't know, $9, and I get like this tiny little amount. So I really don't buy wild rice, but I love to use it, and it's great for soaking and sprouting, and without even having to cook it, to really being able to then use it as your base and even like throw it in salads and make different things with it without having to cook it. So there you have it. And this is somehow, they put their label on it. It says Imperfect Foods. And it says cosmetic imperfection. But I was like, I don't know what's the, I mean, is it because, you know, a couple of the in the package are not perfectly black or brown? I don't know. I mean, it looks like wild rice to me. So I don't know why this would be imperfect, but I'll take it. So there you have it, guys. What I can tell you, I got these from Imperfect Foods, and they are available, and I think it's like 24 states. Majority of the West Coast and the East Coast, and I think there's like a gap in the mountain states, and then some of the southern states. But I do also have a coupon too. If you want to try it, there's no obligation, but I can give you a link for a $10 off coupon on your first order. And it's like a weekly subscription thing, but you could skip a week, you can totally customize it. And it's things that would not be going to a food bank, but that are also not being accepted by the grocery stores, either because there's an overage, there's too much, there's a surplus, or they're inconsistent size-wise, or they look like imperfect. You know, the grocery stores want everything perfect, or when you have a variety of cucumbers in sizes like this, and whoever sees a cucumber like, I mean, I've never seen a cucumber like this in a store. Have you guys? It's crazy. So I'm super excited about it. I will tell you that for me here, I order a large box. This is only my second week doing it, and I totally figured out how to do it this week to just get the stuff that's on sale and get all the produce things that I like. They have lots of pantry items. They have all the meats, the dairy, the cheese, you know, milks. They have even some plant-based milks. I saw they had oat milk and all that stuff. So huge variety of things. For me, here anyway, it's $4.99 for delivery. Or right now they've got a special. If you order $60, it's free delivery. So that is what all of this totaled, was like $60.40 or something like that was all this stuff that I got. And the most expensive item was the pickles. They were $5.99, and I think the rice was $4.99. Like I said, these were 2 for 25 cents. The asparagus was $2.99 each, $1.99 each. I forget, something like that. I think the celery was $2 each. These are organic celery, so that's still a great price. These were $1.49 each. They're organic, they're huge mangoes, and they look amazing. And the chips I think were like $2.99. The raspberries, I'm totally gonna freeze these. These are so good in smoothies as frozen. They were 99 cents each. Amazing deal for raspberries. So there you have it, guys. That's what I want to share with you today, is my box. So yay, I'm excited, and I'm sure it's gonna change every week, whatever is in season. This stuff that I saw that I was looking at comes from Mexico and California. So still really close for us here on the west side, which is really great. And I didn't have to go to the grocery store. I mean, this is like uber exciting for me. Can you tell? I just was so excited to get my food today. I've been like looking forward to it all day, and it came early, which was nice. And it's so stressful for me to go to the grocery store right now. In a lot of different ways, and maybe some unexpected ways too. But if I could do this going forward, from the farmers markets, from Farm Fresh Las Vegas, which brings in other stuff direct from farmers that are local, like in California and Utah, farmers markets from there. And then I'm gonna check out Gilcrease Orchard this week as well, and see, they've got some U-Pick stuff there that you can do, so I'm gonna check them out as well. So I'm getting away from the grocery stores, so it's really kind of exciting, and I'm getting great deals on stuff, and it's just exciting to be able to support a cool project like this. And then with the other things, local farmers and growers and stuff, it's really exciting to be able to do that instead of just being in the big, you know, grocery stores. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. I hope this is entertaining for you guys, a little break in your day, you know, all the stuff, craziness we have going on. And I'll be back again, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye.